My name's Nneka Akudolu, King's Counsel. I am a criminal barrister and I'm here to give a talk to the undergraduates at the Cardiff Law School. I talked to them about the fact that I didn't do so well academically, and I certainly didn't think that I would be able to undertake a law degree. But what I tried to demonstrate to them is that with hard work, not giving up, that you can achieve what you want to. It's great to see them so enthusiastic and I hope inspired, hearing from someone who has been where they are now.
So my name is Hartej Singh Saund. I am a third-year law student, and the reason I came to this event today is because I'm an aspiring barrister. I currently sit as the co-chair of the bar subcommittee at the SU. And I thought it would be really insightful to hear from a KC. It's very insightful to hear about all the difficulties, the different backgrounds that many barristers take, the different routes, and it's really important to be able to discuss those so you know how to best prepare for your career journey. Especially with Nneka being a BAME person, it's really important to have that representation at the bar, and it's quite a unique opportunity to have somebody who's BAME and female come back to speak about their experiences from that perspective, as opposed to the general white male stereotype that there is for the bar.
I think it's just a great opportunity to show those individuals who were exactly where you were all those years ago, what you can achieve. I was asked to come back and I was delighted to be asked. I couldn't wait to come back. It's so great being back in Cardiff and seeing all the old haunts, all the places that we used to go to. It's been a great afternoon and I've loved reminiscing with the students and giving them an insight into what they can expect once they finish in Cardiff and hopefully pursue a career in law.